In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to transfer money in Activobank. So guys, the first step, open your Activobank app. After that, all you have to do, go to your app and look for this option, transfer option. As you can see here on the screen, click on this option. And then from here, write your all details, such your name of the bank and your IBAN, and then enter your amount you want to transfer. After that, enter your IBAN and bank name, enter your name of beneficiary and bank name and the amount, and then click continue this option. After that, you will receive your OTP code, authentications through your SMS, and then confirm your transaction. From here, enter your IBAN and your name of beneficiary, and then click your type of transfer, and then complete these steps. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.